Sony announced its Xperia XZ2 and XZ2 Compact at the Mobile World Congress this year and has now followed with news on prices and availability. In the United States, both models will be available for pre-ordering online through Best Buy from April 13 through April 19. They will then be available online through Best Buy on April 20 and will arrive at the company's physical stores on May 6. Then, on May 20, they will come to Amazon and to other participating retailers. The Xperia XZ2 Compact starts at $649.99 while the Xperia XZ2 starts at $799.99. You can read our full breakdown of the phones here. The XZ2 features Snapdragon 845 from Qualcomm, 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage with microSD slot. It also includes a new feature called Rumble Feedback that makes your phone vibrate along with media, movies, music, trailers, etc. and games. Yes, then maybe that's the feature you've been waiting for? Meanwhile, the XZ2 Compact is smaller with a plastic back, instead of glass. Does not include that rumbling phone feature. Although I love the colors of these phones. They are pastel and unique to other devices. That is much more attractive to me than the forced vibrations synchronized with movie trailers.